Hello everyone, this is TracerPixel128. I got this recently. This is my brand new video card for my computer. This is a AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT, manufactured by Gigabyte. Yeah, it has, the resolution is 1440. Quad HD, has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Supports PCIe 4.0. RGB Fusion 2.0, WinForce, probably for the fans, overclock edition, and supports the AMD Radeon A2 architecture. This is to upgrade the card that's in my current system, which is a Radeon RX 5700, the non-XT version. That only has 8 gigabytes of RAM. This one is a huge step up from that. So I'm going to do an unboxing and upgrade. And then in another video I'll do some testing. See what this card is capable of. I'm gonna have to pause the camera. Before I take it out of the package, here's the top of it. Here's the top of it. And here's the features on the back. Key features are AMD Radeon A2 architecture, DirectX 12 Ultimate, 7nm GPU, GDDR6 memory. I think the other one on my computer, I think it's only GDDR5. PCI Express 4.0 support, Radeon anti-lag, AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, AMD FreeSync technology, does DisplayPort, HDMI, video streaming up to 8K, Radeon image sharpening, and Radeon software. As well as the system requirements, Linux and Windows 7, 10, and 11. This computer is running Windows 10 currently. Shows you all the features that the card has, and now I'm going to take it out of the box. And here is the box. It's all black, has the Gigabyte logo on it. And now I'm going to open it. Oh, this is just the quick guide for the card itself. In all kinds of different languages. Fold it back because I don't need this. Place on my bed. Here it is. Here is the card. Let's take out the cardboard. Because I can't seem to get it out. Here it is. Get it out of its anti-static bag. Come on. Hey, hung on to something here. Oh, God. Oh, got caught. Oh well. So here is the card itself. I just place everything on the floor. Here is the card. It's got 3 fans. And here is the inputs. 2 HDMI and 2 DisplayPort. And here is the back. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade my computer over there. After a bit of finagling, I was able to get my old card out. It's kind of loose, but yeah, it still works. This is my ASRock Challenger. That was my old card. Now I'm going to put in the new one. And here is my new card that I'm about to put in. I took the plastic covering the PCIe connector, and I also took out the piece of plastic covering the DisplayPort connectors. Now I'm going to put it in. My new card is now in my computer. Now let's button it back up and plug it in and turn it on. Now I'm going to turn it on. Let's turn my headlamp. Now it's displaying on this monitor. It's super weird. I'll probably swap the cables after this. My dad and my cousin are talking about something. Yep. Here's my desktop, and now I'm going to log in. And I'm going to swap the cables and load the new drivers. Well, it turns out I had the monitors not plugged in properly, but I was able to swap the cables and do just that. Now I'm going to get the drivers. Now it's starting up after it rebooted after the drivers installed. Now I'm going to log in again. And here we are on the desktop. I got a, let's look at everything's still booting up. After I got the drivers installed, and I think in the next video I should do a benchmark. Now I'm going to test to see, let's open up the AMD software, and I need to switch the audio devices, but I got the latest software. I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro lately because I've been editing a lot of videos. I'm going to check the performance tab. And now it's showing my current video card, which is a AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT, and my CPU is the same. More videos will be coming soon in the future, so stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video.